And to begin today, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this grand celebration of the beauty of our African roots. Today we gather here to honor and appreciate our rich cultural heritage and diverse traditions that stem from the vast continent of Africa.
This event aims to showcase the vibrancy, resilience, history, art, music, fashion, and cuisine. As we embark on this event, let's embrace the essence of Africa and celebrate its profound influence on the world. And let's give IDEPI a huge thank you for hosting this event, please. I'm your host, Faith, and I am representing Kenya.
My name is Tandizani, and I'm here representing Zambia and Malawi.
So I would love another warm welcome for Kelvin.
Oh.
Hello. Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kelvin. Today we celebrate the beauty of our African roots. We celebrate our African heritage. Allow me to begin by thanking all of you for joining us today for this very monumental occasion. Asante Sana, thank you very much. Now, our IDEPI mission is to create sustainable measures to build resilience in vulnerable African-American youth through holistic investment. You'll find us in all key aspects of our society today: education, socioeconomic interventions, mental health awareness, substance abuse, and prevention, suicide prevention, crime prevention, homelessness, you name it. Now let us have fun and express our joy in being who we are. Tunajivunia kuwa Afrika. We are proud of being Africans.
We thank a lot of parents who allow the kids to believe, to trust in IDEPI, for helping them to make their dreams become reality.
My name is Shagdias, I'm Angolan, and I'm here to talk to you about Angola, my country, Angola. Angola is one of the major oil producers and exporters of Africa and the world. Since Angolans are extremely hostable, and I hope you have a chance to visit my country and discover these amazing people and learn how to say some words in Portuguese, like how to say good morning, bom dia, how to say good afternoon, boa tarde, how to say good night. Boa noite. Thank you very much for having me here in Angola.
Hey, my name is Fiona Ket.
My name is Fatu. It's Lucky. Lonnie. My name is Easy Black.
Angelica Fan.
Jeff Njoroge.
I'm Sakina. My name is Tiffany and I'm Kenyan American.
I'm from Cameroon.
Senegal.
From Congo. Liberia.
Today's event, Beauty of Our African Roots, was one of the most unexpected, awesome events that I've ever been into.
This event was really fun.
We really enjoyed the event because we got to see different cultures.
The event was so good. We had a blast. It came out so good. If you weren't here, oh man, you missed out on the dances, you missed out on the good food, you missed out on everything.
You gotta come next time. It's a community event.
I just want to let you know what a beautiful event we had today, and I hope you parents out there, you'll be able to let your children come, register them, come and let them participate in this program. We make sure that your children are safe. We do community service, we do resumes for college, we help them with issues that they have.
So today we are here to support our local African youth from all the countries. We had a very beautiful event today here in Federal Way, organized by IDEPI. So we were showcasing them our African cultures. We wanted to show them the beauty of our African roots. So we had all the youth from all over Africa, all the countries were represented. And I just wanted to put a message to all the parents, all the adults. yeah, let's support our youth. You know, they are going through a lot of challenges and they have a lot of energy. So when we organize such events, please, parents, bring your kids, bring the youth so that they can enjoy and you can see the potential they have. So thank you so much.